Hi, I'm Gerald from Trickle AI. Today we are introducing Trickle Magic Canvas, the world's first agentic canvas where you can co-create with AI virtually to ship production-ready apps and websites. Normally, building apps means designing first, then coding, or back and forth with AI through endless prompts. And even then, getting it ready for real use takes even more work. Today, all of this can be done easily on a living canvas. We believe true creativity sparks when human and AI can co-create in a more natural way. Let me show you how it works. Recently, we are planning a community event for Trickle users, and we need a web app to collect feedback and send swag to participants. Let's have Trickle build this app from scratch and get it live. Watch as Trickle starts building the core features, a showcase page, a survey, and a content submission. We are following Trickle workflows to build multiple pages. Pretty cool to see this in action. It then saves our requirements as project knowledge and rules, so nothing gets lost in little tweaks. Looks like the core functionality and UI are done in one go. Let me drag in some photos of our actual swag onto the canvas. Trickle drops them into the layout. Looking great already. Better context helps Trickle do great work, and the Magic Canvas itself becomes a perfect content space. I drop some key points to the knowledge and ask Trickle to update the survey. It rewrites the question and updates the UI on its own. To make this ready for real use, we still need data capture and an admin view. So one more instruction. Trickle wires up a database, builds a clean dashboard, and adds submit logic into the existing pages. Let's do a quick test. Fill out the form. Then hit submit. Okay, nice. The data lands in the table instantly, and the dashboard updates in real time. All done. Today's AI coding tools usually miss the little design details that matter, but Magic Canvas makes them easy. Pick any element with Select tool and tweak text, spacing, or colors right on the page. Want a new layout? Just drag things into place. Trickle converts every change back to code. All edits stays on Canvas as versions. So if a version doesn't feel right, you can jump back and try again. Simple and fully in your control. Everything's ready. Click Publish and the whole system goes live in seconds. Now our swag and feedback app is online and ready for users. I think Magic Canvas shows how people can interact with AI in a really creative and engaging way. It's kind of like an exploration of the future of human-AI collaboration, and being part of that journey just feels good.